Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ecomdash, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser of choice. In the address bar, type in the URL for Ecomdash. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the Ecomdash homepage loads, look for the Login button. This button is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. You will now see fields for your credentials. In the first field, enter your registered email address. Next, locate the password field below. Type in your password carefully. Double-check both entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. For those ready to log in, ensure the credentials are correct. Once verified, look for the Login button on the page. Click on the Login button to access your account. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your Ecomdash dashboard. In case of an error, review your email and password entries. If issues persist, consider clearing your browser's cache or trying a different browser. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings after logging in. Now you are successfully logged into Ecomdash. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with available features. That's how to log into Ecomdash. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.